Michles Booth. It started here over 12 years ago. 2 lawyers, 2 legal assistants, 1 commitment to help accident victims get what's fair. Now we're here. Here, and still here. With 12 attorneys, over 35 trained paralegals, an investigator, and even a medical doctor on staff. We haven't grown because of a big building. I like to think we've grown because we've never lost our commitment to forcing insurance companies to do the right thing. I've been a trial lawyer for 29 years, but I've been riding motorcycles even longer than that. Motorcycle cases are tricky, and I've handled a lot of them. A lot of times, witnesses mistake the loud pipes and high RPMs for speed, and the blame goes to the motorcycle when that's not really where it belongs. Even law enforcement can get fooled. Truth is if you're in a motorcycle accident, you're going to want a lawyer that understands motorcycles. At Michles Booth, we've had the same board-certified Florida physician on staff in our office for over 10 years. And that's because when the insurance companies send you to their doctor, who's going to keep them honest? And even if your doctor's the best doctor in the world, how much time are they going to have to convince your insurance company about your injuries? And that's where our doctor can help, by breaking it down for you, the lawyers, and especially the insurance companies.
My wife was injured in not 1, but 2 accidents. Marcus Michles aggressively negotiated a settlement the first time, but the insurance company refused to pay the second time. That's when I witnessed the skill that's required to win at our trial. It was a dogfight, but the insurance company knew that it was beaten. Out of court or in litigation, I want Michles Booth on my side. As a former Army guy, Marcus runs a pretty tight ship.
Michles Booth, don't be a victim twice. I bet it comes as no surprise to you that there are over 1,300 lawyers in the Tri-County area. But you may be surprised to know that only 42 of those are board-certified civil trial experts, and half of those work for the insurance companies. Everybody wants to help injury victims, but not everybody's trained the same way. Not everybody has the same expertise. I'm a board-certified civil trial specialist. That means I've had a certain prerequisite number of trials, judges have had to endorse me, and I've taken an extra examination. You'd be surprised how few of the people that buy billboards can't buy board certification. Did you know that the accident report, or even who got the ticket, is not admissible in a court in Florida? Have you seen those little Progressive or Geico cars running around town? When they go to the auto body shop or the accident scene, do you really think they're going to protect you? At Michles Booth, we don't rely on what the insurance companies collect as evidence for their case. That's why we have a full-time investigator and even an accident reconstructionist on staff to collect evidence for your case.
Dad's crazy, but he's not stupid.
I'm Marcus Michles, and I've done a lot of crazy things in my life, but texting and driving isn't one of them. If you text and drive, this could be you. And I see people every day hurt by people that were texting and driving. Don't do it. You can be crazy, but don't be stupid. Don't text and drive. Well, we had a great opportunity today to rededicate the mural, which was repaired after it had been vandalized.
It makes me proud to be able to drive down Racetrack Road and see it every day.
And today was an opportunity for us to basically reestablish our commitment to law enforcement, to the military, and to the first responders who are out there every day working their tails off for us.
While others are running away from a burning building, while others are escaping gunfire, while others are hiding from an enemy bent on imposing his will, the people that we're showing here, they're running towards that danger.
Our greatest strength is when there's work to be done, there are men and women that are willing to do it. Hi, I'm Marcus from the Michles Family Freedom Foundation, and our foundation supports military members, law enforcement officers, and first responders, as well as their families in times of need if they've been injured in the line of duty. We're proud to be committed to them as they're committed to us in this community.
You may have seen on the internet the accident caused by the car going the wrong way down the interstate in Tampa. My little brother Dammy and 3 of his friends were killed in that accident. As you can imagine, there were lots of lawyers calling to help my family. And although we were in Tampa, we heard about Marcus from a family friend. When I called Marcus, he agreed to help us, but insisted that he'd do it for free. There are some good guys out there, and Marcus is definitely one of them.
It's not about the building, it's about what's inside. We're built to fight insurance companies. So when we say don't be a victim twice, it means don't be a victim of the accident and the victim of making a bad choice for legal representation. Michles and Booth, don't be a victim twice.